Hello everyone, I am Seema. I welcome you all in my class. Children, today we will discuss about the nouns. Before I start, I want you to look around yourself. There are a number of things in the room you are sitting. There may be a piece of furniture, tube light, bookshelf, painting or a scenery on the wall. And for that sure, a computer in front of you or a mobile in your hand. Isn't it? Yes, it is. Children, these are the things you can see and you know the names of these things. Now look for something which you can't see but it still exists and has a name. Can you tell what's that? You can feel it but can't see. Can you tell? Think hard and tell. Yes, it's air. You can feel air but you can't see it. Anything else? Yes, you can hear my voice but you can't see my voice. One more example. Can you see the ideas in your mind? No, you can't see the ideas in your mind but they exist. And this is what I want to tell you. Children, there are the things we can see and there are also the things we can't see but they exist. And each and everything in this universe has a name. And always remember, name of everything, whether we can see that thing or not, but its name is called a noun. In other words, nouns name a person, place, animal, thing, idea or any feeling. For example, boy, home, chair, dog, happiness, etc. Here are some more examples of nouns. Read them very carefully. After nouns, let's talk about the kinds of noun. There are 5 kinds of nouns: proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun, and abstract noun. Apart from these, you must have heard about the concrete nouns. We will discuss all these one by one. So first of all, we have proper nouns. Proper noun names a particular person, place, or thing. It always begins with a capital letter. For example, everyone wanted to go to Pizza Hut. Pizza Hut is the name of a particular place or shop, so it's a proper noun. Mr. Smith didn't give us homework. Mr. Smith is the name of a particular person, so it's the proper noun. After proper nouns, we have common nouns. Common noun names any person, place or thing in general. For example, teacher, baseball, city, etc. Here are a few examples of common noun. Study them carefully. Children, as common nouns and proper nouns both name a person or place, still they are different and this difference should be clear to you. Proper nouns name a particular person or a place. On the other hand, common noun is a name given in general. I will explain you this difference with the help of an example. In your class, suppose there are 30 students. Each and everyone is a student, child, either a boy or a girl. So, the nouns student, child, boy or girl are the common nouns. But each one of you has a particular name and that particular name may be Mohit, Karuna, Khushi, etc. And this particular name is the proper noun. And after proper noun and common noun, next we have the collective nouns. A collective noun names a group of people, animals or things, etc. For example, there are 30 students in your class. So, 30 students make one class. So, class is the collective noun. A number of flowers make one bouquet. So bouquet is the collective noun. Here are a few examples of collective noun. Next we have material nouns. Material noun names a material or substance which is used to make the other things. For example, you are wearing a shirt made of cotton. So cotton is the material noun. You are sitting on a chair made of wood or plastic. So that wood or plastic is the material noun. Till now we have done proper nouns, common nouns, collective nouns and material nouns. All these four types of nouns fall under the category of concrete nouns. A concrete noun is name of something that we can perceive with at least one of our senses. In other words, in simple words, we can say concrete noun is a name of something we can see, hear, taste, touch or smell. For example, cup, cake, ball, etc. Here are some more examples of concrete nouns. Concrete nouns and abstract nouns are opposite to each other. Abstract nouns are the names of the things which we can't see, hear, touch or taste. Abstract nouns are the ideas or the names of the feelings. For example, love, friendship, fear, months, happiness, etc. This was all about nouns and its kind. Now revision time. All the naming words are called nouns. For example, Mr. George, boy, girl, happiness, etc. Kinds of noun. Proper noun is the name of a particular person or place. For example, Mr. George. Common noun is a name given to someone in general. For example, woman. Material noun names a substance of which a thing is made. For example, gold. Collective noun names a group of people, things or animals. For example, a flock of sheep. Concrete noun is the name of something we can see, touch, hear, smell or taste. For example, book. Abstract noun names the feeling or qualities of a person. For example, hatred, strength, etc. I hope the topic is clear to you. Thank you very much.